Now I request Prabhiyan TV Vijayalakshmi Pulavar to shawl Mrs. Lalita Mohan, Prabhas Excellence Awardee 2020. I invite Prabhiyan TV Vijayalakshmi Pulavar to read the scroll of Mrs. Lalita Mohan.
Respected President and dignitaries of dais and all my Prabhiyan friends. Before I read the citation, just I pronounce only one proverb of women. பெண்கள் எங்கெல்லாம் போற்றப்படுகின்றார்களோ அங்கெல்லாம் தெய்வங்கள் மகிழ்கின்றன என்பது மனுநீதி. அவ்வாறு இங்கு ப்ரோபஸ் கிளப் ஆஃப் சென்னையில் இங்கே பெண்களையெல்லாம் போற்றி மதித்து அவர்களது சாதனையெல்லாம் அவர்களுக்கு எடுத்து சொல்லி அவர்கள் விருதுகள் வழங்குகின்ற இந்த இடத்துல தெய்வங்கள் கட்டாயம் மகிழும் என்று சொல்லி இந்த லலிதா மோகன் அவருடைய சைட்டேஷனை படிக்கிறேன். ப்ரோபஸ் கிளப் ஆஃப் சென்னை sponsored by Rotary Club of Madras, an association of retired and retiring professionals, businessmen, government servants and others. Scroll of honor presented to Mrs. Lalita Mohan. Born in a musical family, Mrs. Lalita Mohan is a third generation musician and vocalist. She was considered as a child prodigy who could identify ragas at the age of 3 itself. She was a disciple of leading Carnatic musicians such as Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Dr. M.L. Vasantakumari, Kadalur Subramanya Iyer, Dr. S. Ramanathan, and Professor T.R. Subramanian. She studied rigorously Hindustani classical music, got herself trained in Spanish, flamenco, and Western classical music to develop her own unique style. She did her MPhil in music by working for Sankarabharanam as a scale and raga. Subsequently, she was initiated into an illustrious career with the Kali Yuga Meera recognition at the International Bhagavad Gita Conference in London in 1995. Since then, she has achieved several awards, mentioning a few: Nallor Isai Virudu by Krishnagana Sabha, Lifetime Achievement Award from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and the title Kala Samrakshini on October 2nd, 2019. She undertakes landmark projects every year to advance the cause of Carnatic music, such as a well-attended musical tribute to her guru, Dr. M.L. Vasantakumari, participating in the successful Guinness World Record attempt for the largest number of artists singing and performing Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi to the poet Tyagaraja's Kirtanams. She regularly gives interviews on various TV and radio channels and performs concerts on special occasions. Mrs. Lalita Mohan is also actively engaged in social service activities like donating money, things to Udavum Karangal. She also spends time by singing Carnatic songs to inmates. She was also instrumental in relaying of roads, clearing of garbage, removal of drainage, etc. in her locality. She used to tell me she feels that the appreciative words, "You have a golden voice" by legendary playback singer Mrs. P. Sushila as a crowning for her achievements. That is correct. You are going to listen to her music at the end of the program. Rovers Club of Chennai, in celebrating International Women's Day 2020, feels proud to present Mrs. Lalita Mohan Probus Award of Excellence 2020 for her service to the general public in the field of annuity music and social service in times of need. Our wishes to her to obtain many more laurels. Chennai, 5/3/2020. Signed by B. Ranganathan, Secretary. Signed by S. Gopalakrishnan, President. Thank you, Madam.
Organizing 1,000 musicians along with Sudha Raghunathan, where they got the Guinness record for singing the largest number of musicians singing Tyagaraja Kritis.
Also give Excellence Award to Mrs. Lalita Mohan. I request Mrs. Lalita Mohan to give her acceptance speech.
Very good evening, and I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. And I'm extremely happy to be honored with the Probus Award of Excellence 2020. I'm so honored, and I dedicate this award to my beloved mother who left me to heavenly abode 4 months before, and she was a pillar for all my achievements. So I dedicate this award to my mother. Thank you so much, first of all. And very good evening to C.N. Ishwari, Chief Guest, Bhaktavatsalam College for Women, Korattu, Principal, and other Probian awardees, Geeta Devasigamani, and Probian Dr. Jamuna Ramasubramanian Madam, and Dr. Vijay Bharati Rangarajan, Vice President of President of Rotary Club, and Lakshmi Natarajan, Vice President, Probus Club of Chennai, and B. Ranganathan Sir, Secretary, Probus Club of Chennai, and of course, Award Mami Pulavar Vijayalakshmi Madam. So I just thank everybody. Oh, Shubha Srikanth, President Nerve. Sorry for having omitted. And let me begin. பட்டங்கள் ஆள்வதும் சட்டங்கள் செய்வதும் பாரினில் பெண்கள் நடத்த வந்தோம் 8 அறிவினர் ஆணுக்கு இங்கே பெண் இளைப்பிள்ளை கார் என்று கும்மியடி. பாரதியார் முண்டாசு கவிஞர் அப்பொழுதே சொல்லி வைத்தார், பெண்கள் சட்டங்கள் பட்டங்கள் எல்லாவற்றையும் ஆழ்வார்கள். இப்பொழுது நாம் அதை மிகைப்படுத்தி கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். அவர் சொன்னதை விட 10 மடங்கு பெண்கள் சாதித்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். எல்லா துறையிலும் வந்தாச்சு பெண்கள். பட்டங்கள் சட்டங்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, மூன் மட்டும் செவ்வாய் கிரகம் மட்டும் போயிட்டு வந்தாச்சு. ஸோ பெண்கள் எல்லா இதுலேயும் வந்தாச்சு. அப்போ பாரதியாரோட அவருடைய கனவுகள் மெய்ப்படுத்தப்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறது. அடுத்தது பெண்கள் என்ன சொல்லணும்னா, வேதனை சோதனை சாதனை, அந்த 3 மந்திரத்தை வச்சு வெற்றி அடையலாம். எந்த ஒரு வேதனையும் சோதனையும் சாதனையால் முறியடித்து வெற்றி இலக்கை அடையலாம். டேலண்ட் அண்ட் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க், டெடிகேஷன், பெர்சிவரன்ஸ் will definitely we can achieve our goal. One can see a swan just floating on the top of the water very gently and smoothly. But do anyone know the restless paddling of the swan beneath the water? So each and every, behind every award achievement of a woman, there is a restless paddling. Yeah, example me. So once again, I wish all women a very happy Women's Day. And women convert gloom to glee. God, we are thankful to thee. A woman is the full circle. Within her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. Women get self-motivated and inspire others. You have got everything to take the world in your stride. Women in command always lend a helping hand. Women's polite devotion is their greatest beauty. Women, God's finest and beautiful creation. I wish you all, once again, a happy Women's Day. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Lalita Mohan. I request Jayamani Computer to give her the small gift.